Today we're going to learn how to make pretty sparkly icicles. Ooh. Alright, to make these icicles, I have a whole tin of just clear beads. That's how I sort them. And I thought, let's make some pretty little icicle ornaments out of these. And I also had a bunch of this copper wire pre-cut out. I had it for another project that I was working on, but I think this is the perfect length that and the color that we want. So what I did is I went through all those beads and tried to find what I had and how we're going to do a pattern. I like sorting. This is very therapeutic to me. I love separating beads. I don't know why. I'm weird. But also, now we know how many we can make. So let's line them up and see what we can do. Once I got all the clear beads done, I found some of the metal things, and I had a bunch of these little guys. I think I'm going to use the stars. Yeah, we're going to put those in there. My thing is, let's use what I got. And then my goal is, if I use up all my stuff, I can buy more, right? So let's use up all these so we can get some more cool stuff later. So on these copper wires, I'm just going to put a big loop at the end, and this is going to be where we hang it. So I'll eventually put a ribbon on it so that they can hang all nice on the Christmas tree. And it keeps the beads from falling through. So we'll start, and we'll just start stringing them up. I think that's gonna work just fine. Perfect. I had a bunch of these cool little, I call them like chandelier dangles, but they're not. I'm not sure what they were used for, but I had a whole bunch of them. So I'm just going to make a smaller loop at the end of my icicle and see if I can dangle our little crystal at the end. Just a little dimension added. Now when I tried putting the little bead on the end here, it was either I didn't make my loop big enough, but it just wasn't dangling right. So we're gonna get some of these jump rings. I have a bunch. As you can see, I have a bunch of assorted beads and things. We're gonna add that to the little dingle dangle there, and then we'll put it on the little loop at the end. We want kind of that movement going. There we go. That's what I wanted. I'm just going to do the same thing to all of them. They're so pretty in a row. Sparkly. So, now that I got those, we just need to make something so that we can hang them up, right? And I have a bunch of, you think I have a lot of beads? I have a bunch of ribbon too. So I found this rope ribbon, and I think I'm just going to make that as my hanger. And there we go. Perfect. We kind of have a champagne and diamonds kind of look. I think that's going to work perfect. I like them. All right, they're all pretty and shiny. They're going to catch the twinkle lights perfect. Let's go ahead and test them out on our tree. Beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this inspired you to go through your little bead collection and see what you can make. It doesn't take much. You don't have to buy expensive things. And there you go. Have a great day and a Merry Christmas. A nice sparkly day. Bye-bye.